All right, so we've got our ponytails here. We have a knot on top and we have this really, really cool little topsy tail. So what we started out with was our Trinity Dry shampoo to be able to give a nice clean palette to work with. We then created one small ponytail up at the top with an elastic and we cinched it tight and pulled up those edges. We captured another section of hair, added it to it, did a little topsy tail, and then we did a third topsy tail. Once we were complete with that, we went ahead and tied a nice knot, pulling those edges and working with our shaping wax, which is one of my very favorite waxes to work with anytime I'm touching the hair. The hair is made just like fabric is. It becomes very porous, so when we touch it too much, we soak up all those oils with our hands. So from here, I made 5 looped ponytails, and they're all done in triangles, so you can see that very center one coming up at the top, down to the nape, and then opposite triangles, and then the 2 sides are left out. That last revolution of our ponytail is just the loop, and the little hot trick that we're gonna use here is this ribbon. We're gonna go ahead and loop the ribbon through all of those loops. Once we put that through, and then all we're gonna do is we're gonna take that ribbon and we're gonna tie it up around the knot. From here is where we have a little bit of fun with it. So we're going to go ahead and start taking our edges. We'll pull those apart. We could take those tails and bring them in if we like, but we'll just start pulling the edges. And it's so important that any time that you are working with something like this, that we're going to work with our shine wax or our shaping wax. Again, really to protect the hair. So just a small amount on my thumb. Start to pull up those edges. And then we can just throw in a couple of our big bobby pins. We'll just go ahead and take those pins. I like to take the pin with the feet first and then loop it back so that we get a nice secure edge. As we pull that apart, we'll come in with our Theory hairspray. We'll finish that out real easily with our Bastu Shine Mist. And then from here, I just like to go in with my fingers and start to see maybe where I need to add a few pins. And there you have that beautiful little retro type of twist that fits right in with our mystique.